Let's look at number 6 together. We are on the area and perimeter error analysis packet. If you are done with number 6, you need to go back and look at it. Be raising your hand, be a willing participant in the learning that's happening. Okay, it says draw a figure that has a larger perimeter than the figure below. So this shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. So what is the perimeter of this shape?
It's 4 by 4.
Is it 4?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 on each side. It's definitely hard to see. So what is the perimeter? Gemma?
16.
16 what?
16 centimeters.
Well, it doesn't say centimeters, so we use units. Okay? So we had to draw a figure down here with more than an area greater than 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this person did not do it correctly. What do you think they did? What do you think they did wrong?
Can I say the name?
Sure.
Jameson drew a figure that was larger in size, not perimeter.
Okay, Jameson drew a figure that is longer, but not larger in perimeter. Cordelia?
The student made a rectangle that was bigger in area. You need to have a shape that has a longer length and width than 4 by 4.
Okay, but it's not bigger in area. That's what I was counting up to, because this is only 10 square units, and this one is 16 square units. Okay, Marin? Did 5 times 2 instead of 5 plus 2.
Like for if it was like they did area.
Right, but the area here is 16, so I don't think she was thinking of the area. Because she would have drawn something bigger than 16 in area. What did you think, Lane?
I think she did not double the sum of the added 2 sides to account for all 4 sides.
Okay, so if they could have done 8, or so they could have thought that the perimeter was just 8. Okay, and so then their perimeter would be bigger. Okay, yes, Carter.
Mr. Brown's mistake was he did not pick a shape. He picked a shape with a smaller perimeter.
Okay, I think we could say Mr. Bryles, I like that,
Oh wait, at the end you have to add.
did not, you don't have to change it if you have it, did not calculate the perimeter correctly. Okay, his shape, not shape, needed to have a perimeter greater than 16 units. Okay, so what can you draw down here that would have a perimeter greater than 16? What dimensions could you draw down here that have a perimeter greater than 16?
I have a question.
Okay, what?
Why does the screen have 4 black lines instead of just 2?
Is it? Are we supposed to do the
I
Like
do
you're
not.
on the edge. Oh, you're on square.
Oh,
It
yeah.
looks like a horror
Okay, it's fine. What I want to know, okay, what are the dimensions of a rectangle that has a greater perimeter than 16? Guys, there's like an infinite number of answers, so everyone should have their hand up. Okay, Henry,
For the one that.
give me the dimensions of a rectangle that would have a perimeter greater than 16.
10 and 4.
10 and 4. That perimeter would be 28. Give me another one, Abby. 8 and 2, that perimeter would be 20. Cordelia,
6 and 6.
6 and 6, that perimeter would be 24. Rowan, 7 and 8, that perimeter would be 30. Riley, 8 and 6, that perimeter would be 28. There's an infinite number. Okay? All right, let's put that to the side. Do you want to do 7 too? Okay. Okay. Look at number 7. Okay. Guys, you're on video and you sound a little obnoxious. No offense. Okay. Ed's shed has a fence around it. The dimensions are 10 meters by 15 meters. Draw the fence below and label the dimensions. Then find the area and the perimeter of the fence. Okay. What mistake do you see? I see a couple mistakes. I see a lot of mistakes. I see 2 mistakes. Okay, I see 2 major mistakes. I'm waiting on you to have your hand in the air so I can call on you. What do you see? Olive.
They put the sides the wrong, because like the two, like the length, they should be on both sides. They should be the same.
Okay, very good. The opposite sides should be equal length. Okay, so let's see here.
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
Chicken nuggets.
I think that's how you spell Sheeran, but I'm probably wrong. Ed Sheeran needs to know the opposite sides of the rectangle are, follow along with what I'm writing please, the same length. The opposite sides need to be the same length. So he should have drawn it like this. 10, 10, 15, 15. Okay? So then what is his second mistake? AJ, what is Ed Sheeran's second mistake?
Ed Sheeran.
What? Okay, what should he did what to find the area? He did 10 times 10, which is width times width. So he needed to do what?
We need to do 10 times 15.
10 times 15, or length times width. Also, his area needs to be length times width. He did width times width. It should be what? What would it be if he did it correctly? What would it be if he did it correctly? McKenna? 150, and it shouldn't be units, it should be meters squared. When they give you the label, you use that label. So that's the third mistake.
Wow.
He needs to stick to singing.
Yeah, he's not.
As
good
they
at
say, don't quit your day job, Ed Sheeran.
You see that?
I'm so
Well, really, they say,
oh
they really say it like if you are a teacher and you think you can sing pretty and you sing and someone might not think you sing that well and they'll be like, hey, don't quit your day job, meaning you're never going to make enough money as a singer. But it was a joke because Ed Sheeran's like a real famous singer and a multimillionaire.
Oh.
But he's obviously not that good at math. So I said to Ed Sheeran, don't quit your day job because he shouldn't quit his job as a singer to become a math teacher because he clearly is not that great at
This
math.
season, The
They say
Voice.
that?
Okay.
Voice.
Okay, we're up. Focus. We're on video. Okay. So, what should we do down here? Give me the dimensions of a fence around a garden. Give me the dimensions of a fence around a garden. Cordelia.
14 by 20, 20
14 by 20. I should have done it the other way. Okay, quit yelling out, please. Now, what is the area? If that's our dimensions, what is the area of this garden? Everyone should be able to do this. 14 times 2 and add a 0. What are the dimensions of the garden? Jameson. 280 meters squared. And what is the perimeter of the garden? What's the perimeter of the garden? If you can't do it in your head, write it down. Shh. Gary, what are you getting for perimeter? $68 meters. Okay, now put that away.